I like to make things for people that's going to use it. That's what flatters me, is when I get something back that needs to be restored.
And
I think it's important just to keep our culture going, to teach kids to have a sense of self, to have a sense of culture.
for Lily Drywater, finger weaving is a vital connection to our culture, one that she shares with her community by passing on her craft. Plus, recording artist Austin Markham, chasing his dreams from small-town Oklahoma to Nashville, Tennessee, and beyond.
It's not just about making a song that sounds good. It's about saying what I believe I'm supposed to say.
And learn how the Cherokee Advocate has evolved to keep the world informed about our people.
We can't forget for a moment that the Cherokee Phoenix and the Advocate were this country's first bilingual, Indigenous-led newspaper.